today we wanted to come on and tell you about this Acegoo 12 volt dimmer. So we purchased several of these to use in our schoolie. We use them with the Acegoo lights. We just wanted to tell you about them today and answer some common questions that people have about them. So are they compatible with LED light fixtures? So yes, that's exactly what we have in our schoolie is LED light fixtures. You definitely want to check to be sure that the lights you purchase support the dimmer switch, if that's important, because some LED lights don't support dimming. How is the dimming range? So we found the dimming range to be great. It starts off, and then once you click it on, you can go all the way from dim all the way to full light. Does it produce any buzzing sounds? So in our experience, no, we've not had any buzzing sounds coming from the dimmer switch. So we've really enjoyed these dimmer switches. They've worked great with our LED lighting that we chose, and they're really nice to use. Like if, the kids are asleep in the back, I can dim the lights up front, or we have 3 different settings throughout the bus, and the dimmer switch is great for, depending on what part of the day it is and how bright we want the light. We've really enjoyed being able to dim the light with the dimmer switch. So we hope that helps you with your buying decisions. Happy shopping.